Hi guys, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you will be fine. So may Allah bless you in this beautiful video. I hope you will like it. It started very beautifully, and I hope you will enjoy my unique ideas. It started very beautiful and stunning collection. I hope you will enjoy my unique, so very pretty styles ideas. So friends, I hope you will enjoy my unique, all very interesting collection, very different, very pretty styles. And friends, so I hope you will enjoy unique and different stylish ideas. This very amazing. So friends, I hope you will enjoy my unique, all very pretty. Is that very different? So friends, hope you will enjoy in this very amazing and very beautiful unique small designs ideas. So friends, I hope you will enjoy. Is that very beautifully? So friends, I hope you will enjoy. And friends, I hope you will like it. Is that very beautifully? And friends, I hope you will enjoy. Is just beautifully? So this beautifully, and hope you will enjoy my unique ideas. I hope you will enjoy. Is that very beautiful? So friends, I hope you will enjoy my unique ideas. Is that very beautifully? So friends, this collection ideas, I hope you will enjoy. Very beautiful and amazing, unique solar interested collection. So friends, I hope you will enjoy unique ideas. Is that very beautiful and stunning collection. So friends, inshallah, I hope you will enjoy my unique, all very pretty and different stylish ideas so beautifully. So viewers, I hope you will like us. Is that very beautiful and stunning collection, and I hope you will like it. And friends, enjoy my unique ideas are very different. I hope you will enjoy my unique ideas. Allah Hafiz friends, see you and take care.